kingdom Protista. So the kingdom Protista, it includes eukaryotic organism. So kingdom Monera includes prokaryotic organism and kingdom Protista includes the eukaryotic organism. So they are eukaryotes. What are eukaryotes? Eukaryotes are the organisms which have a defined or definite nucleus. That means the nucleus is bounded by a nuclear membrane, and we find the organelles also. So eukaryotic organisms are the organisms which have a definite nucleus, and they also have the various organelles. Okay, so Protista, so eukaryotic organism we see from the kingdom Protista. Monera always includes the prokaryotes, and from Protista onwards we see eukaryotic nature. Kingdom Protista, Mycota, Plantae and the Animalia, we see eukaryotic organism. And we know this kingdom Protista. Okay, so this is kingdom Protista includes eukaryotic organism, and they are unicellular organisms. So we all are aware of this unicellular organism, right? So they are unicellular organism. Unicellular means what? They are made up of single cell organism. Eukaryotic unicellular organism. Okay, understood? So when I say unicellular organism, you know the different examples, right? So it includes paramecium, amoeba and euglena. Okay, commonly Protista, these organisms are called what? Commonly they are all called protozoans. Commonly they are all referred as protozoans. Okay, so next time if anybody asks you, name few eukaryotic unicellular organism, it includes amoeba, paramecium as well as euglena. So amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Not only this, you have plasmodium, okay, and you have trypanosoma, entamoeba. All these are also eukaryotic. These are also prokaryotic. I'm sorry. They are also Protista. They are also protozoans. Which are those organisms which I told you? I told you now. I told you entamoeba. There is amoeba is there, and there is one more organism is there, which is a protozoan. That is entamoeba is there. Plasmodium is there. Plasmodium is there, and trypanosoma. Trypanosoma. Okay, right? If not only this, even leishmania. Okay, leishmania. I'll write this once again, no problem. So leishmania. These are also few protozoans. So protozoans or the kingdom Protista includes eukaryotic unicellular organism. We find definite nucleus. Definite nucleus we see. In each organism we see a definite nucleus, and also we see the organelles. So let us just go through the structures which are present in this organism. See, these organisms will have certain appendages, certain structures they have. Okay, they may have this hair-like structure. This hair-like structure we call it cilia. What is cilia? It is a hair-like structure. Okay, or they may have a whip-like structure. See, they have a whip-like structure. The hair-like structure we call it cilia, and this blue color structure what I have drawn here is a whip-like structure. This whip-like structure we call it flagellum. Flagella is plural form, singular form is flagellum. Flagella plural, flagellum singular form. Okay, so they have this long flagella. Okay, that is flagellum. Okay, and also the inside you will find one more smaller flagellum. Okay, so these are the whip-like structure. These structures will help in not locomotion. They help in locomotion. Locomotion means what? To move from place to place. Okay, and most of them are aquatic organisms. So whatever example is given here, they are aquatic organisms. So this what is that? Flagellum and the cilia. Singular it is called cilia, plural cilia. Okay, so they either use cilia or they use flagella for locomotion. Not only locomotion, also to trap the food or to get the food. Okay, so that's about the structure. Then you can see they have cell membrane and they have the cytoplasm, and you can see the nucleus. See, in case of paramecium, it has two nucleus. That is macronucleus is there as well as micronucleus is there, and you find so many vacuoles. So some are food vacuole and some are water vacuoles. These are water vacuoles. Okay, the food will be brought here. They have some structure called cytosol, and they will digest the food, and they throw the waste through this structure called cytophagy. Okay, so that's about paramecium. And you know very well about amoeba, right? Amoeba you can identify it as cell membrane, and it has cytoplasm, and here we have something called ectoplasm and endoplasm. It has nucleus, and here you can see the mitochondria. Organelles are there, and it has food vacuole, contractile vacuole, and you know very well how it moves, right? What is the locomotory structure of amoeba? It is pseudopodia. Not only it will help in locomotion and also to engulf the food. Engulf the food, it uses pseudopodia. And coming to euglena, euglena, you can see these structures are called the chloroplast, and it has nucleus. Inside the nucleus it has nucleolus, right? And it also has an eye spot and also photoreceptor, okay, and contractile vacuole. These photoreceptor will help in trapping the solar energy, and it has chloroplast, right? The chloroplast will help in photosynthesis. Okay, now let me write down the names of those organisms which I mentioned just now, right? I mentioned, so example, if we are talking about the examples for protozoa, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. This is what I just showed you now. Other than that we have plasmodium, entamoeba, and trypanosoma, leishmania. These are also protozoans which belong to the kingdom Protista. Then coming to their mode of nutrition, how do they get their food? See, they may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. So they may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Mode of nutrition. So they may be autotrophs or heterotrophic or heterotrophs. So when I talk about autotrophic means they prepare their own food. So in the given example, which one do you think it is autotrophic? Yes, it is euglena. Just now I drew the diagram and showed you the chloroplast, right? Okay, so the euglena is autotrophic. So it is an animal. Okay. It is an animal in the sense it is a unicellular animal. Protozoa means what? They are the first animal. Proto means first. Okay. So this one can prepare its own food. Euglena can prepare its own food. Okay. So it is autotrophic. And these two are free living form. Free living form is they will be trapping smaller organism which is smaller than tinier than there, and they capture that food and they will be digesting the food. That's how they get their nutrition. Coming to these are also heterotrophic. heterotrophs, but they're all parasites. All these are parasitic protozoan. They're all parasitic protozoan. So you know Plasmodium. You are very much, you know very well about Plasmodium, right? Plasmodium is the protozoa which cause malaria. An entamoeba will cause amoebic dysentery. It will cause amoebic dysentery. And coming to trypanosoma, sleeping sickness. Okay, sleeping sickness is caused by this protozoa, that is trypanosoma, and leishmania causes kala azar. Okay, so they may be heterotrophic or autotrophic. So when I say heterotrophs, they are some are free living form, paramecia and amoeba. Okay, so they are predator, like they hunt for their food. Okay, and they may be parasitic also. So these are the parasitic form of protozoan. So I hope you have understood Monera and kingdom Protista. Now we can make out so how they are evolving. Monera includes very primitive organism. It has a cell, and you can see the nucleus is not well defined. The organelles are not present. As we move on to the next kingdom, that is Protista, we can see they are a little bit developed, right? So you can see they are eukaryotic organism. They have some structures which will help them in their locomotion, as well as to trap the food, everything, right? And in case of Palmation, what is that, euglena, we find that chloroplast, right? And how there is transition, how they are trying to change. Okay, so that maybe that's how these organisms have been evolved. So there is slightly they are developed compared to Monera. I hope you have understood what is Protista. You have to practice these diagrams. Okay, thank you.